How to get your Telegram profile link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get your Telegram profile link. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Telegram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. Now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on invite friends option. And from there simply tap on share Telegram, and after that you can simply select any media and you can share your profile right there. And once you have done that, you can copy your link and you can share it whenever you want, like on WhatsApp and other platforms as well. And the second option is to share your profile QR code. So simply open the Telegram app, and from here simply tap on the three dash icon again. And from the pop-up menu simply tap on your name at the top and you will see the QR code icon. So simply tap on it. Now tap on share QR, and if you want to share it on WhatsApp, tap WhatsApp and select the person that you want to share it with. And that's it. Now you know two ways to get and share your Telegram profile link. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.